See? Cured your hiccups.
Hey, that's all I have to do is video. There you go. Is that all you got?
Poor guy.
I'm videotaping him. Well, not really videotaping.
Is it good?
Oh, he's not making the squeaky noises like that. The legs crossed. Nice recliner you got there, kiddo.
Why the big eyes? Stare down? I'll win, you know.
Brian, look at mommy.
Hey, look over here.
Hey. He says, nope, I'm determined to win. Hey, sweetie. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say I'm 3 weeks old today.
And I could really use some help getting rid of these darn hiccups. I could really use some help here, people. I'm here.
Alright, fun's over.
Yeah, we got hiccups to deal with.
Alright. Get rid of them, baby.